Kuzuzangpo and welcome to Dspace Bhutan. In this video, we will learn how to remove background using Photoshop in one click. To begin with, open Photoshop, click on Open and select the required photo from your specified location. As you can see, I have opened a photo of a man standing in front of a gate. To begin, unlock the layer by clicking on the lock icon and go to Windows ribbon. Search for the properties and click on it. Adjust the panel and under quick action you will see remove background option. Click on it and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, the background is removed in one click. Let's zoom in to see the edges and it's perfectly done. Now click on this icon and create a solid color layer as a new background if you want. Choose your desired color and click OK. Now drag the solid color layer below the image layer and boom, the magic is done. Don't forget to like the video and do subscribe for more tricks and tutorials.